What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, man, we back with another POV drive, man. I don't know why y'all fuck with these videos so much. So everybody telling me do more POV drives, so I'm gonna do more POV drives. Shit, if that what y'all like, that what y'all fucking with, I'm gonna keep doing them bitches, though. I'm on the way to the crib. Shit, while I'm already out, shit, I'm on the way to vlog me on the way to the crib. Yeah, a little POV drive. Last time somebody told me, y'all told me to roll down my window, so I'm gonna roll down my window so y'all can hear everything in the car. Hold on, let me try to clean the camera right there. So y'all can hear the car. I open the sunroof and shit. Turn up the brightness in this bit. Oh, that's too bright. That's good. Chit chat, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. I don't know if y'all can hear that wind or not, but the wind blowing bad in here. Hopefully it's not fucking up the sound quality. Right there. Oh. And that bitch got loose. I'm looking at the police still on the gas. I'm gonna try to hurry up and get the fuck. Like my wheel ain't want to turn, man. I don't know if this bitch was spinning or not. Ooh, boy, my fucking heart just dropped. Shit. I thought it was over with, boy. Ooh, boy, that shit was scary right there, boy. That shit never happened to me before. Man, I felt like that bitch was hydroplaning, like, I don't know if y'all ever hydroplane in water, like when it's raining. But man, that would just happen, son. That's exactly how I fucking felt just now. Me hydroplaning, my nigga. But it's dry as a motherfucker out here. Boy, my fucking heart dropped, boy. Fuck, boy. I thought I was over with. fucked up, man. At 10 o'clock at night. At night. Ain't lying, the police be all chill too. I gotta watch out for the police. And I'm whipping this bitch with one hand, man. Come on, man. Whipping this bitch with one hand and the other hand on the camera. Holding the phone, man, recording, bro. I'll go spin this bitch for real. Police be out here too, be ducked off and shit, like a nigga stupid. I know all them bitches be at. Bitches usually be back there. They usually be ducked out. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but they usually be ducked out back there too. So I turn now, I'ma keep straight. Man, these fucking police out bad, man. Be trying to fuck with a POV drive, cutting up in traffic. Well, not traffic, just cutting up at nighttime. Shit, you gotta be careful with them bitches. No cap. They out. I ain't trying to get pulled over or end up running for them bitches tonight. Man, why my camera so dirty, bro? I hate that blur shit, bro. It's a little bit better. I don't. Fuck it. I'm just gonna stay like this. Fuck it. We got the sunroof open for y'all. All the windows down. So y'all can hear this thing, man. Y'all don't know, my exhaust system is, I got JBA Catalyst mids. I got the resonators. No, not the resonators. The mid mufflers gone. Took them bitches off. And I got the resonator still on. Man, when I brought it to the muffler shop, it was too fucking loud without the resonator. So I put the mufflers back on at the back. Like by the tips, I had to put them back on because this bitch was too fucking loud. Yeah, I'm barely hitting the gas. Like that's probably like 10% of the throttle that I just hit. That bitch is, you know what I'm saying? Scatpacks, man, they not slow or they not that fast, but they enough, man. If you do the right shit to them, bro, them bitches can ride, bro. You put a little 85 tune headers on this bitch, like them bitches retarded fast. I ain't gonna count. But your boy's still trying to get a hellcat. Ain't shit touching the hellcat. Hellcat is different. Them bitches pressure. Your boy gonna get one, and when I get one, y'all know that content gonna be pressure. The first thing I'm gonna do in that bitch is walk that bitch down a straight road. I'm gonna do a dead stop and just smash that bitch and walk that bitch down the whole road and just smoke the whole street out. That's my first thing I'm gonna do with that bitch, y'all. I'm telling you. It's kind of cold outside too. The wind blowing good thing. I got my little hoodie on. Yeah, I need to get a phone holder too, like something to hold my phone until I get me a GoPro and shit. Cause holding this phone and driving, like holding the phone and like driving is just not, they don't feel comfortable. Now if I had something holding the phone and I'm just holding on like a little stick, it wouldn't be that bad. 18-wheeler making that bag. Hey, but if the police wasn't so bad out here, I would have smashed this bitch at this red light. Them bitches be ducked off, y'all. I ain't lying. It's not worth to get pulled over, especially the police out here. Them bitches be so racist, so dicked out. Them niggas see a young black nigga in a car like this, boy. Shit, alright. They gonna show you. Man, this bitch ready to get the fuck on down. Oh, this bitch lifting up. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Boy, this bitch is lifting up. I do got a fresh oil change. Fresh oil change got this bitch ready to ride. This bitch ready to move, get out of there. Change my shit to kilometers, man. I like, man, I know the fuck I ain't going that fucking fast. There you go. I'm gonna give y'all a little pull and shit. That's gonna be the end of the video. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned, man. What it is, nigga. What it